We're on again. Pretty sizable. Maybe a flathead. Got some size to it. Just remember to fight that fish. If she wants to go, let her go. If she wants to take some line, let her take it. Feels like a flathead. And again, she's moving pretty fast. She's a bream. Another target species. A bit better size than the one before. And there we go. A nice thick bream there. Just put that next to that rod. Just see the size. Nice and thick. Lift that up a bit. So that's it. Just running the blade through some water there. You know, she's nice, she's fit. Nice southern black there. And again, we'll put her back in. Let her swim another day. Come back next time and pick her up again. Whoa! Splasharoo.